Hi, I'm Steve from Kiln AI, and today we're looking at our new feature called Kiln Specs. It's a completely guided system that'll help you build high-quality AI evals with synthetic eval sets in just a few minutes with no prior experience. Let's take a look. We'll start by giving it a brief description of what we want to evaluate. In this case, we're working with a joke generator, and we want it to be a little bit funnier. And we'll click Analyze with Copilot. Kiln will look at your specification and look for issues like not providing enough detail, conflicting with other parts of the task requirements, or just being too ambiguous for an LLM as judge to actually judge properly. And it'll ask you some questions that'll help get you a much higher quality spec than your initial draft. Select your answers or even enter a completely custom answer, and hit continue to get a refined version of your spec. And Kiln will come back with a refined specification, including a lot more detail that I had forgotten to include, and even generating few-shot examples to help the judge be more consistent and actionable. Now let's see if this judge works as we expect it to. In this phase, Kiln generated hundreds and hundreds of synthetic samples across a broad range of topics. It judges them and looks for cases where the judge is uncertain. Maybe you underspecified the evaluator and it doesn't know what to do, or maybe it's just an edge case or a boundary case where extra guidance would be helpful. Narrows down those hundreds of examples into a reasonable set of edge cases for a human to review and refine. We can just rate a few of these. And when we disagree with a judge, we can give it a descriptive text, which actually go in the next refinement loop of improving your evaluator. Kiln will analyze again. It'll provide another set of automatic refinements to your evaluation. And after a few iterations, our judge is aligned with our human preferences perfectly, even on the toughest edge cases. Let's save our spec. And while saving, it's going to take that synthetic data gen system we've been working with and actually save train, test, and validation sets so we can use this evaluation to make our system better. And there you have it, a completed Kiln spec that includes everything you need. It includes LLM as judge eval that's been aligned to your human preferences, and it's generating an evaluation and training data set that you can use to improve your task performance. Kiln Specs essentially brings together three of the best features of Kiln, our evals, our synthetic data gen, and our Copilot, and allows you to build everything you need for high-quality AI systems, evals, and optimizations in just a few minutes. It doesn't require a bunch of data sciences expertise, and your subject matter experts can dive in and really get into the details of what makes a great solution to your domain problem. And since Specs makes it so easy to create evals, you can now create many evals for each of your tasks around different aspects of your problem. And then use those to iterate and compare to quickly find the best model, prompt, or fine-tune for your specific problem. And for the data scientists above you, we still have our powerful suite of tools to go deep on AI quality, like generating synthetic data, rating golden data sets, finding the optimal LLM as judge, and comparing different run configurations. And that's a quick look at Kiln Specs. To try it today, you can download it from kiln.tech or our GitHub. Thanks for watching.